Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Eticks for how to pass on and absorb fees on Eticks. Go to the event, select Manage Event, and click on Edit. Click on Create Ticket. Select the setting icon in the Early Birds tickets and select the Pass on Fees option for those tickets. Scroll down and do the same for first release tickets, but now select the Absorb Fees option. Scroll down and click on Update. View your event after updating and book your ticket. Here you can see that for the Early Birds tickets, the pass-on fees are added, and for the first release ticket, the absorb fees are added. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the Eticks for more updates.